Stop buying garlic mayo. Make this creamy, restaurant-style garlic mayonnaise at home in just 1 minute. 1/2 cup mayonnaise, 2 cloves garlic, finely crushed, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon olive oil, optional. Take a small bowl and add 1/2 cup mayonnaise. Add finely crushed garlic cloves for that strong garlic flavour. Now add 1 teaspoon lemon juice to balance the taste. Sprinkle salt and black pepper. Mix everything really well until the sauce becomes creamy and smooth. Taste it and adjust salt or lemon if needed. Your creamy garlic mayonnaise is ready. Perfect for burgers, sandwiches, fries and shawarma. If you love quick and easy sauces like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more delicious recipes.